So the other day, we took Lucifer and Electra out for some joyrides for the first time in over a year and a half. And while I was driving the car, you know, I was mentioning that the IATs, the cylinder head temps were up. And that is actually exactly what happened. And it got a little scary because on my way home from Joel's, the car reached 233 degrees on the cylinder head temp, which is very, very hot, and I knew instantly something wasn't right. So long story short, we ended up finding that this coolant hose was completely like, it wasn't getting any coolant. But now, you can probably hear there is coolant being flushed around in there. So what I'm thinking happened is when we put this whole kit on, we didn't use a pressurized system to, you know, fill the tank because none of the pressurized nozzles fit the aftermarket tank. So I was kind of, you know, out of luck there. And I think we had a huge, you know, air pocket in there, and that's essentially why it closed up and there was just no coolant getting to the motor properly. You know, we hand pumped it and it seems to be running good. All the temps are fine now, but I wanted to go and find a solution to pull this undershield because this undershield is for the vents, the heat extractor vents, and the only type of cooling that this vent has is literally these two slots. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna pull one of these capped nuts off, and I'm going to go to the hardware store and see if I can find a non-capless nut. This way I can pull the underbelly. I do want to see if I can better the temps and get more airflow and more of that hot air out of the hood. Well, I almost forgot just how many of these that heat extractor takes. Oh my God, this thing feels like it's almost, oh geez. Oh, hold on. All right, well, the vent didn't stay. Hold up. All right, that looks freaking insane, dude. Just for shits and giggles. Oh my God, that looks so sick. Dude, I kind of want a clear window now. That looks insane. Front end of the car. Powerhouse of the car. Front end. Powerhouse. That looks sick. So I'm looking at this heat extractor vent and I'm noticing that there's really not any crazy curvature to it as far as the initial design, which has me thinking, what if I got a really nice piece of plexiglass and I set this on top, I traced, I made pilot holes, I re-drilled the holes such as this piece, and we threw it on the car so we could rock this look just for, you know, car meets, videos, events, etc. And on the plexiglass, we can get like a 50% tint vinyl to throw underneath of it or on top of it. Probably on top, I would imagine, and had like a little showcase window because this looks crazy. Like this was not part of the video. This is just so happened to be right now, but it kind of goes wild, I'm not gonna lie. 3,000 likes, I'll do it. I'll do it for the hell of it. Check out my new modification, man. Tell me that doesn't look kind of wild though. Just like wild. Being able to peek and it's just like it's beautiful. I was gonna take the Mach to Home Depot, but I mean. still, we're not gonna leave it open, obviously, just cause one, I don't want people fucking with my car if I park it somewhere. That's like the biggest reason. But two, like, I don't want anything stupid to happen. If we could get the vents to go back in without the under tray, the car's gonna run just as cool. So that's the plus side to it. It's insane, dude.
Yeah, I don't think I've ridden in this with the new blower on it. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, dude. I don't think I have. Yeah. Damn. Still got some of the pops and bangs.
Come on, bro. Let's run that. That's insanity right there. Oh, where are we? I just like back out for a minute. I think I see Mr. Sebastian. Good old Mox. I hate to do it to him, but we gotta do some humbling today. It looks like I have to park. Not right here, because there's like broken shit all over the fucking. Right here will do. Does look pretty sick. Hopefully he gets the message, you know. I need to stop. You're a bad influence.
What do you mean? I just put the camera in your
You're
face.
gonna have me locked up. Stop filming me, dude. Make me do bad things. That was, I don't know, something smells bad. You smell it?
I smell something.
I think it's my clutch.
For real?
We snatched third hard. Sure, all my gears are there. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, I think we're good. God, you gotta stop letting me do that, dude. Now I gotta come in the neighborhood acting like nothing just happened. Jesus,
we're
bro,
all right.
That was ridiculous. I don't think I've ever snatched third that hard in my life. That could be the reason. Thank you so much for flying Air DBP. If you would, please leave us a 5-star Google review for a free complimentary ice cream cone. If you also would, please like, subscribe on this video if you want more future flights and you want extra Sky Mile bonuses, okay? Thank you so much for flying Air DBP, and remember, watch out for eggs. Our trip to Lowe's was successful. We did indeed find the same exact nuts. These are going to be a 1/4-20. We have undomed so we can get all of the stud and it'll hold the washer, which will then hold just the vents in place. So we're gonna get this thing installed, and you know, it's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be.
This is heavy. I was surprised.
It's actually a lot heavier with that other piece.
Well, yeah, I bet.
Check it out. We're just gonna lightly zap them in, equal pressure all around, and I think it's gonna work great. So far so good, but I'm gonna hit these corners lightly just to start it off. Get this one. No, do a little. There she is. And now, if I can look, we have an active heat exchanger now. So that's gonna, the air coming up, dude, this thing is gonna feed out a ton of hot air. So that's awesome. That's awesome. So we're definitely gonna see our, you know, IATs and cylinder head temp run a tad bit cooler now. I don't know why Cervini doesn't include like these type of nuts to do exactly what I just did. Like, I understand, like, this is a rain shield and heat shield and blah blah blah. You can see These are the only vents that you had to work with to release hot air. Check that out, worked out perfect. Sick. I still think a clear little window like vent would be pretty sick.
Would be dope.
Maybe Cervini will make one. Maybe it'd be pretty cool. Considering Lucifer just got a little bit of love with the whole cooling modification that we did, and which, by the way, I do want to make a custom plexiglass cover for that. So if anybody's experienced with that, it has to be raised. It can't just be flat. Flat would be super simple, but the hood scoop, as you saw, has like probably that much of a raise off of the flat surface to fill in the rest of the hood. So if anybody can make that for me, let's do something. That'd be super sick. Nobody's done that yet on that hood from my understanding. To wrap up today's video though, we're gonna go and give Karma a little bit of love. And speaking about Karma, just look how good the C7 looks right now. The overcast weather, no sun. But our friends over at Kuston Interior did send us out a little package for Romina and Karma C7 here. And you know, Karma is, and I want to say all vets are C7s that in that case are leather seats. Kuston Interior wanted us to spice them up a little bit, and they sent us out their diamond stitched seat covers in leather. So I'm gonna take these out the package real quick. I'll lay them out so you can see what they look like. I think it's gonna look pretty good on this car, and it will protect the factory leather, which if we end up selling this car for maybe an upgrade in the future, the leather seats with no creases, no tears, no wear will be perfect, and you know, it'll retain more value. So back side of the seat, this really nice material, and you can see obviously it has like the hexagon, not diamond, excuse me, but the hexagon white stitching, and then we have the bottom portion. So we got the seat covers unpackaged, laid out here. You can tell they look very good, and I really do like the hexagon stitching. I think it gives it a nice little premium feel, and honestly guys, we've been working with them for quite some time. We did a couple kits on some of my buddies' cars, and this stuff is so good if you're looking to like upgrade any one of your vehicles that have cloth seats to a leather, or in our case, leather with leather. That is Kuston Interior. You can find all of their contact info and link to everything in the description of this video. Just peeking in, you can see that these seat covers look entirely different than the stock seat, but the good thing is they fit so tight to the stock seat, and that's why you'll never notice. We'll look at the passenger side. Same ordeal here. Go get yourself some Kuston Interiors. Change your base Mustang to a premium with this simple thing. Check out all the cars they offer. Thank you so much, Kuston Interiors. Appreciate that. But all right, my peeps, that's gonna go and kind of bring today's video to an end. I do want to say, if you didn't catch yesterday's video, please go watch it. It's a banger. Not only Maverick here, but Jaeger down the street, Tyler's Fighter Jet Gray Mach 1, they both got exhausts. So these cars sound so much better, and we're not even done yet. We have more exhaust going on this car soon. So this is just a temporary setup, but it sounds insane. So click the card that just popped up, support your boy. I'm putting in the hours, Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Appreciate y'all so much, man. And check this out. Gotten bit by a bug recently. Now keep them things on me, cuz. Me and the boys have been golfing a lot recently, and I am enjoying it a lot. So if you golf, let me know what's in your bag. I'm gonna read all the comments. I'm anxious to see what kind of setups y'all have. You guys get this video to 2,000 likes, because you know you're a savage, and I'm out here grinding, just grinding. Let me know who else is posting one video per day without, you know, causing you to go to sleep. Let me know. Just saying. 2,000 likes, we'll give you the golf tour and maybe a dose of DBP golf vlog. Watch me shank it into the trees, rage, throw my club. It's a great time. Well, much love, fam. See you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Go check out Extreme Online Store and Kuston Interiors. Links in the description. Check out yesterday's video. Peace.